Are bats really dangerous? And should it be evacuated completely from the environment? To know answer for this question, do watch this video.
Firstly, let's see what are bats. See, bats are mammals of the order Chiroptera. Here note that they are the only mammals capable of true and sustained flight. And they have their forelimbs adapted as wings, which helps in attaining agility in flight than most birds. Okay. Now coming to the importance of bats in an ecosystem. See, though often feared and loathed as sinister creatures of the night, bats are vital to the health of our environment and our economy. Now let's see how. Firstly, bats play an essential role in pest control. See, the recent studies estimate that across all agricultural production, consumption of insect pests by bats result in a saving of more than $3 billion per year. Okay. And now coming to the second benefit, while many bats eat insects, others feeds on nectar and provide critical pollination for a variety of plants like peaches, cloves and bananas. See, in fact, bats are the sole pollinator for the agave plant, a key ingredient in tequila. Here also note that agave plant grows predominantly in the Deccan Plateau region. Okay. See, the food source of bat is fruit. And this is leading to yet another important role played by the bats in the ecosystem, which is nothing but the seed dispersal. Okay. See, fruit-eating bats can account for as much as 95% of the seed dispersal responsible for early growth in recently cleared rainforest. Okay. So, these are all the positives associated with the presence of bats in the ecosystem. Now, let's see about the disease-carrying capacity of bats. See, bats are the host for viruses such as Ebola virus, Nipah virus, coronaviruses, etc. And these viruses are capable of causing severe and often deadly disease in humans as well as animals. But bats, which are host of such deadly viruses, exhibit no signs or minimal signs of the disease even when there is high viral loads of these viruses in the bat's body. So to find out the reasons behind it, a study was conducted by researchers in Singapore last year. See, the research study found that bats can harbor these viruses without getting infected because bats' special immune system enables them to avoid excessive virus-induced inflammation. So because of its inbuilt immunity, bats act as a perfect carrier of viruses and other deadly pathogens. See, this is yet another important role played by the bats in the ecosystem. But this is a negative role. Okay. So this is all regarding the disease carrying capacity with respect to bats.
So through this video, we saw what are bats and what are the positive role it is playing in the environment and what is the negative role it is playing in the environment. So whenever we talk about the evacuation of a species, we must know whether it is playing only the negative role or it is having some point of positive role. Since it is having some positive role, evacuating the whole bat species is not good for the whole ecosystem because it will cause imbalance in the ecosystem. And if you want to know more such kind of topics related to environment, do watch our Hindu news analysis regularly.